visible planet Earth is quite an interesting creation. The power, the energy that created that is connected to the fact that we're here,
Right.
and we exist. So what I did, in simple terms, is mentally, I figured the energy comes through the sun, it's connected to the Earth. So for some reason, I thought, I'll imagine where the center of the Earth is, thinking that there's a connection
Yeah.
of energy between the sun and the Earth. So I connected with the center of the Earth mentally, and I noticed this was probably 1980, 1981, 82, and Mo Norman and I were hitting hundreds of thousands of golf balls over a few years, but every morning 250, 300 balls each we'd hit with long clubs, and then putting and chip shots. Nobody counted them. But I remember telling Mo what I was doing. And I said, when I do this, I feel lighter on my feet and the colors look brighter and everything seems a little easier. And it is. Now, it took me a while to, I thought, is this an illusion or what? But it isn't. So I still do that. I did it the other day. I went out to the range here at the New Smyrna Beach Municipal Golf Course, and I did exactly what I just said. Mentally, I tuned with the center of the Earth. I could feel it. I felt something change. I had the image of the shot that I wanted to see, and even though my vision's a little blurred, the image that I created balanced me for the shot that I had created mentally, the image of it. And I felt it in my feet, in my ankles. Mo always told me, you swing from the ground up. Well, you're standing on your feet, obviously, when you swing a golf club. What part of your feet? I finally decided that it was the line of balance up through my heels. And then I contracted the muscles in my ankles, locked the feeling in of the motion. I could see the motion of the whole shot. So what I did, and I did it a few days ago, is I put the ball in front of me that was on the tee at the destination point in the range that I picked out. And then I looked up in the air until I could sense where the ball would begin its descent. In other words, the apex of the flight. And then back along that line to where I was. And mentally, I inhaled the shot. And then once you do that, all I did was it came back as my eyes came back to where I was. I let my head turn slightly to the right until I felt I could turn away from the ball comfortably. But I had the whole energy of the shot in mind, and I just turned away from it and let it happen. And I haven't hit any tee shots for months, but I hit the first three of those things absolutely dead center in the head of the club. I can tell by the sound and the feel. The ball went exactly where I had it in mind. It could never go anywhere else.